Okay, so we're just going to do a quick little overview of what we built here. So this will take in, if you give it a reel or a YouTube link, technically I haven't tried it with the YouTube links, but if you give it to it, it's going to grab what it can using, I think it's uh, YTDL, um, and it's going to use some local like FFmpeg to grab a smattering of like here's all the screenshots of it, to grab all the captions. It's going to grab the narration, so you'll just whisper to get that, and then it will look at the description as well as, and well, just the description. And then what it'll do is it'll take all three of those sources and then produce a JSON file that the web page will be able to then turn into a recipe. So right now um, this uses Sonnet to kind of build everything out. I was kind of wondering if I could use other models, but it's built on top of Pi, the agent harness. So you could really inject whatever model you wanted inside of it. Um, you could even use your own local LLMs if you wanted to kind of build this up so you could have it all completely private. Um, but yeah, that's basically it. Um, the dark mode, light mode. Sorry for blinding you. Um, but yeah, just go here, you drop in your links, and you get your little thing, all the fun stuff. Quick thing of like where I want to go next. Right now, everything's kind of built out locally to use English as its first language. So if you grab recipes in different languages, it's not going to work the same way. The other thing too is I'd love to make a dedicated agent that will look at the recipe that we've gained from the video, and then figure out more nutritional information to kind of help guide you through whatever you're looking for if you're trying to, you know, avoid certain things or if you want to get certain amounts of things in your diet. Be kind of cool to kind of go that way. Anyways, open to suggestions of like where to take it. The repo is in the description. Um, Send me pull requests, and I will try my best to put it in.